Very good morning, all of you. Welcome to this session of the launch of our career guidance with placement assistance program. So I'll be explaining you completely about what actually this program is and what is the intention of starting this program. And thanks to all of you for coming for this session. So I'll be sharing you few slides, and after that we'll be launching our program, that is career guidance with placement assistance. Let me share the screen with you guys. So once you're able to see my screen, please message yes. I will start the session. So please message in the chat box if you're able to see my screen so that I'll start the session. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Pintu, and thank you all of you for mentioning. Right. So let me start the session. So welcome all of you for this career guidance with placement assistance program. Before we start, many of them know us, but people who doesn't know about us, I'll just introduce ourselves. Our institute name is iTech Analytics Solutions. People also call it as ITAS, and we are actually experts in analytics, reportings, data analyst, business analyst trainings, and data science trainings. We do a lot of corporate trainings, online trainings, classroom trainings, and we also take projects from various corporate companies. And also we do a lot of placement services as well. So we are actually a set of professionals who have started this institute with more than 15 years of experience in various IT industries. And we have a lot of trainings which we actually do. And in that, we have this advanced Excel macros, dashboard designing, Excel automations, MS Access SQL Server, PowerPoint, Word. Then we have business intelligence tools, Power BI, Tableau, R programming, Python, visualization, data science, business analytics, and data analytics courses as well. Along with that, we also conduct MIS reporting trainings as well. Right. So main thing of this program, or say this session, is about the placements. So how are we associated with this placement? So we are into placement assistance. We help you guys in career counseling, resume building, or interview preparations. And we have our own unique way of handling the placements as well. So we have a registration, then we conduct some test, and we check that if you are potential, and then we conduct the interviews, and we actually send to the company where you'll have the actual interviews, and then you'll get the job offer. But this process will be very difficult for many of them, because preparing the interviews or preparing your resume, that itself will be very complex, or say very confusing, or very difficult. And as we are into trainings and projects, we are not always available for you to assist. Keeping this in consideration, so we thought, why not we actually start one program where the people who wants to take this placement assistance, they can do it individually, independently. So doing a lot of R&Ds, the team, ITAS team, came up with this idea of career guidance with placement assistance. So that is where actually this idea came. But otherwise, previously, student used to come to us and then used to depend on us for anything like placement assistance, job interviews, or anything related to placements. But what ITAS team wants is, they want the individual professionals or freshers or students who are actually looking for a job. They should have one platform where they can independently handle all this completely. That is the complete placement process. But again, If you are still getting confused, so we are still there to help you. This placement assistance continues. Along with that, we also have this program which will help you in improvising or attending interviews or anything on placement assistance process. So this slide says that we are into Microsoft Office specialist. This also is a part of placement requirements. So if you guys think that you want to get certified, so you can approach us for getting certified as well. So we are there to help you in clearing this Microsoft Office specialist certificates as well. But our main intention of this program is about the career guidance with placements. So what is this program all about? So this program is all about, we are actually starting this program, which will be a periodical update. So what is this periodical update? So periodical means it's not that it will be weekly or 15 days once or monthly. So depending on the topics, depending on the contents, so we actually keep updating this. Usually in the beginning, we are actually planning for monthly updates, but suppose if the demand creates, if the demand, if people wants the updates very frequently, then we will be seeing that this will be updated every 15 days or weekly. That depends. So this is just one step what we have taken, something first of its kind, a unique of its kind for the students, freshers, and professionals to handle placement assistance independently. So periodical updates will be as of now monthly, but again, depending on the demand, depending on the requirements, we will be changing this periodical updates to 15 days or weekly as well. All right. So what you will be having, so I'll be explaining in detail about all these contents what we have. But again, when I say updates, so here we'll have a lot of pre-recorded videos, the job consultant list, interview questions, and many other things which are actually related to placement assistance and career guidance as well. Let me just walk you through a detailed contents. So what we're actually planning is, we are planning to have the videos of interview preparation. So it can be of any technical courses what we conduct, right from Excel till Python and any other subject or say the technical courses which we conduct. So for that, all the interview questions which will be in a video format and also in PDF format. So videos will be very easy for you to keep watching them and understanding. Suppose if you think you want to take hard copies, then you can take the hard copies and this will be completely downloadable, or say you can view this PDFs, but videos you cannot download, but you can view it in the app itself. We have sample resumes because many people come to me and they'll be keep asking for sample resumes. So it will be very difficult for us to keep searching for the sample resumes. So what we have done is almost 500 plus sample resumes will be available now in this program. So you can download it completely and you can use it for your own resume preparation. So there are more than, as of now I've just added 25 resumes, but I'll show you we have more than 500, which I'm actually trying to modify it according to your needs, and you can download them and you can use them. The next, aptitude preparation. Aptitude preparation, this came up when most of the students, most of the freshers we sent for interviews, so they kept asking that there are a lot of aptitude tests which they are giving. So we just thought that let's start this aptitude preparation as well. For this, we are collecting more and more information from many websites, from many experts, so that you guys can actually prepare it. And also we are trying to get the previous years, or say the previous interviews, examinations conducted by various companies like Accenture, TCS. So we are collecting from various websites. It's not that every companies we go and we'll collect the test papers, but we are trying to collect from various websites, and thanks to various websites where they're giving these questions as well. So this we are actually trying to download, and also the questions what we have conducted, so that also will be updating in this aptitude preparation. Job consultant list, so this will be a very turning point for many of them, because many of them keep searching in websites for the job consultant phone numbers or email IDs in people say that we are not able to get the interview calls, though we mail our resume, so we are not able to get the replies. So what we are actually trying to do is we are trying to call these consultants or companies or whatever. So we are trying to verify them and then add a complete list. So this, we are working on it. We have few, but still we want to scrutinize for the genuine consultants list. So that also will be available for you. So wherein you can go, you can speak to them directly, and you can apply your resume or for some particular say job opportunities or particular roles as well. So this is our intention, so that you guys can have easy access to the consultant. You can call them according to your roles, and you can get the job interviews as well. The next, we also have the quiz test. Many of them actually come and they'll say, I want to take a mock interview. So mock interviews and all won't work. Guys, I'll tell you, mock interviews, according to me, it is like, you know me actually. When I ask questions, you will answer it very confidently. But what I always tell is, try and prepare yourself so that it will be very easy for you to face the interviews. If you want to face the interviews, first thing is you should have confidence. So if you have confidence, then you can easily attend interviews, mock interviews and all. You can take the mock interviews. I'm not telling mock interviews won't help, but still, not always people will be available for taking mock interviews. So for that, to test yourself, so we will be adding some test, online test, and some quiz where you can just try to take them and see how good you are in the technical interviews what you are actually going. So we are working on it with various different technologies, various different topics. It can be general topics, it can be HR related questions, or it can be technical questions. So many things we are actually planning here. Right. Next is, we also have this career job related books where you have this career development, career growth, and how to face interviews, and so many books are there. So we are trying to have some authorized books, and also we are trying to get some PDF books, soft copy books, which will help you in preparing or developing your interview skills. Not only about the interview skills, not only about the jobs, it's for your career as well. So there are so many books which you have to pay a hefty amount for purchasing it. But what we are actually trying to do is, we are trying to get them and put it in this program itself, so that you guys can download it or you can read them online. Right. So apart from these things, we are actually making some videos. So this will be like, you will be getting so many videos in YouTube or something, but these videos we are actually doing according to our students requirements. Or you can also post us the questions, post us the requirements, saying that for the ITS team, saying that, see, I want to know something like this. Say for example, I want to prepare a resume, so what are the things I should take care? So please make a video according to your needs. So you can send your requirement, we will try to make a video according to your needs. But still, we have our own topics here, which career guidance. So we are actually trying to make some videos which will help you in building your career, building your job profile. So for that, we are actually trying to make some videos which will be career guidance, as I mentioned. So you don't have to always come to us for the counseling. So all the required the questions or the guidance which we have already given to our students, so we made a list of it. So we'll try to make a video of it and we'll be posting it. And again, the main thing is resume, CV, or cover page preparation. Many of them actually have doubt how my resume should be, or in what format it should be. So for this, we are trying to make some videos which will help you in creating your own resumes. Because even if I give 500 to 1000 resume samples, it is you who have to prepare it. It is your format which actually considers. It is your contents, it is your experience is what matters. So not always think about the sample resumes. Even if I say 500 to 1000 resumes, if I give, finally the contents what you add is your profile. So your content should be there. So for that, how to prepare is what we'll be explaining in video format. So this is what in this content will be. Then HR related. So we are trying to make a list of topics: how to speak to HR, and how to negotiate the salary, how actually if you have a gap. So this is the frequently asked questions, because many of them have gap in their career. So if you think that I want to have if I have a gap, how to fill that gap. So these things. So how actually you can handle HR rounds. So for that, we are trying to make some videos. I know you will get hundreds of videos in YouTube, but as I mentioned, so we are trying to make videos specifically for our students or people who are asking questions to us. Say, for example, now someone, some of our students we already counseled in the career counseling. Whatever questions are there, we have made a list and we are trying to make some videos out of it. But again, there are some people who can ask questions. Say, for example, some people will say that I have a gap of 5 years and I've not worked anything, but still I want to get into this analytics field or any technical field. So what is that I have to do? So for this specifically, we'll make some videos which will help you in understanding, because every time I cannot counsel every individual people. So it is very difficult for us because the numbers are increasing and it's difficult for us to spend continuous time. Yes, we will surely try to give you time personally, provided if we have free schedules. But again, it will be very difficult for us to speak individually. So in that case, these videos will be very helpful for you. Yes, if one question comes from one student, so that will be related to many other people who can actually watch that video and they can understand. Next, interview related videos. You know that many people actually get confused. So how to dress, how I should actually approach the company before going for the interviews, before attending the interviews, what all things I should get prepared. So those things we are making some videos on this, completely interview related. Job search, many of them actually search for jobs. In the end, they'll end up with sending some resumes, but still they won't get any calls. So what is that we are missing? What is that we have to do? What is that we have to get prepared so that we'll get calls? So for that also, we have a list of topics which are trying to make some videos on this. And finally, we also have the topics on LinkedIn, because any professional, any jobs related, you should be in LinkedIn. So many of them actually think that just by sending the resume, I'll get the job. It's not like that. Please update your LinkedIn. So for this, what all things you should consider, what all things you should do, how my LinkedIn page should be, what all I have to update in my LinkedIn is what we are making some videos as well. This is what we have the list. So we actually request all the people, they have complete liberty to send the topics. So we will try and see in our schedules how we can actually make that video, how we can actually create some contents for you guys specifically and put that in the program so that others also can actually utilize it. So it is something like a complete career guidance and placement assistance forum which we are trying to create, which will help you in understanding and implementing the placement, and say to apply for your career growth and also get the job. Our intention is everyone should get job, and that should be a very good job. When I say good job, that means what actually you are looking for, what actually your career you are looking for. So that is what our intention. But again, it depends on you who will take it forward. It's not that we make thousands of videos and give, and if you're not implementing, it will not work. So our intention is to give you the content. How to implement is what you have to do. Right. So what is the benefits of this program? So this program, you have unlimited interview updates. So what is this? So people who are joining this program, you will be getting unlimited interview updates. Say, for example, I have a company which approaches. We will be posting this interview calls, interview schedules, everything will be updated and you can attend the interviews. And all this will be verified by ITAS team, which you'll be getting the calls from the companies or the consultants, or we will arrange the interviews for you. It can be a freshers, it can be professionals, and it can be a student who just finished his college and wants to do some internship or who wants to join for the jobs. So we are getting a lot of calls from various companies for internship. Recently, we have posted one of them, so you can just check. So all this we want in one single place so that it will be easy for us to communicate, because now everywhere we are scattered, so which is difficult for us to know who is applying for a job, who is actually approaching us. So for that, we want one single place where we can update the interview calls, arrange the interviews, and make sure that you guys get the job. And again, periodical updates, as I mentioned in all the sections, we'll be getting. As of now, it is monthly updates. But again, depending on the demand, depending on the requirements, we'll change the frequency of updates in this program. Assistance on updating resume, as I mentioned, we are trying our best to post or say to upload more than 500 sample resumes. And also we are trying to upload the videos on how to prepare the resumes. Apart from that, also there are some people who might find it difficult. You please approach us. We'll see how best we can do in updating your resumes. Right. The next placement assistance, as I mentioned, placement assistance will be there personally, individually. But again, as I mentioned, since the numbers are growing, it is little difficult for us. So for that, we have various other ways to do individually. You can also go through the complete program and you can get the benefit of this placement assistance. But otherwise, you can still message us and see if we can give some appointment for you, wherein we can individually counsel you for placement assistance. And again, people who are joining this program, they will have 1 year free subscription for any webinars we conduct. It can be any webinar. When I say any webinar, it can be any webinar, online, offline, anything. It will be completely free. So any of our paid webinars, I'm telling you, any of our paid webinars, you will be having the access completely free. It can be any technical webinars, or it can be any general HR related or placement related, any webinars. You will have access 1 year completely free. Right. So clients, we do a lot of trainings for these clients. Why I'm actually showing this slide is we have done a lot of trainings for various clients, and we still have contacts with these people, so that we can approach these people and we can try and see if we can get you a job. But again, I'm telling you guys, please don't think that just because they are our clients, so we'll easily get the job. If there are any openings, if there are any requirements, then only we can actually approach you guys when these people actually contact us. But yes, we are communicating with all these people for getting a right job for all our students who are actually enrolling for our courses. So first preference is for our students. For outsiders as well, we are trying to do this, but again, first preference will be given to ITAS students. Right. Now comes, what is this program and how actually I can register for this program. Right. So here, first thing is, I want all the people who wants to join this course, this program, to download our app, because as I mentioned, I want everyone to be in one single place, which is easy for us to communicate. As of now, it is like scattered, which is very difficult for our team to approach you people. So here we are trying to um, give one platform, give one place where you guys can approach us very easily. And for that, you have to download our app so that you can easily approach us. Then you have a gift coupon for joining this course. So you will have a 500 rupees discount, and this will be only for first 15 registrations, and you will have a complete 1 year subscription for any webinars we conduct. But what actually is the cost of this program, I'll show you when we launch it. So you can also approach us in all these social media portal. If you want, you can just check all our profiles here. Right. So as I mentioned, I told you I'll be showing you the program, and we are launching it, and how much actually it cost. We also gave you the offer of rupees 500, but then what will be the cost? So still this is not actually published. Here in our app, we have this career guidance with placement assistance. The cost of this is 999 rupees, and you will be getting benefits of the contents I've just placed here. See, I have the contents here. You have this interview preparation. If you go here, we have interview questions. You can see we have the videos here. All the videos are there here. You can see the videos, and you'll be getting the PDFs for printouts if you want to take the printouts. So we have already given the videos for most of the courses what we do, but still we are continuing doing it. Apart from this, as I mentioned, sample resumes. As of now, there are 25 applications here, but as I mentioned, so we already have, more than, here we have some 400, so still it's going on. So all these are actually very neatly formatted sample resumes, which will be posting it, but we're doing some cleaning on this, so that will be done very shortly. Then we have this aptitude preparation, so this we are updating, so this is also ready. Again, as I told you, we are downloading it from various other websites. You can see that there are some 123 question papers already available. This is like this sample test paper. So there is one website which we actually downloaded it. So we have from Capgemini. So we are trying to pull out from various other companies as well. As of now, we have this 123, and there is no fixed numbers for the content. So as and we keep getting, we'll be keep updating here. And since this is in zip folder, so it's in a zip folder, you have the option of downloading it. So we are trying to put all these in zip folder so that it will be easy for you to download in one shot all the files. Otherwise, it will be like you have to keep on downloading one by one. So here we'll put this in zip folder. Immediately you can download it. Then, as I mentioned, the videos are actually on process. So which we'll be uploading it. Say career guidance. So here you can see that we have the career guidance folder. Then resume, CV preparation, cover page preparation, HR related videos, and then we have this interview related videos. So here we'll be getting all the videos as well. Apart from this, as I mentioned, if you think there is something missing here, you can approach us for this. We will make a separate folder or anything related to this topic. Then we'll make the video and we'll upload it here. And then, as I mentioned, job consultant list. So this we are actually working on it for getting the genuine list. But we thought of adding some company list as well here. But when we just add this company list here, so they might have the jobs or not have the jobs. Again, it will be like confusion for you. So we are just thinking whether to add this company list here. So that will get back to you on this. But again, job consultants who are actually completely who are related to placements. So those genuine list will be updated here in a PDF where you can just go. If you want, you can download or you can see online as well. So that will be updated soon. That also we are actually working on it. And here quiz and test. So this also is on process. Almost some of the tests are there, so which we are actually testing from our side. So that also will be updated here. And I was talking about career related say textbooks. So already there are some textbooks here. So here you can see interview books which we have taken from some places. So very nice books are there. So this is again, so any of this is like unlimited. It's not that we'll be giving you some 10 books, 20 books or something. As in we keep getting the books here, or if you think you have some books which you want to share with the people, please share it with us so that that will be useful for many of them. So this is as of now what we have. This will be keep growing, and as I mentioned, this is periodical updates, so you'll be keep getting the updates. It's not that it'll stop here, so every frequently. So as of now, as I mentioned, it is monthly updates. So again, depending on the requirements, we can get this updated very frequently. So you can also approach us, you can also suggest us, you can also send the topics, you can also send us the the contents to prepare. And also, if you think that you have any section to be added here, that also is welcome. It is completely open forum where you can send the suggestions, the requirements, and if you have the contents as well, which will be placing it here. And whoever is sending the contents, your name will be actually announced as well in the app also, so that people will know that who has helped us, who has approached us for improving this complete program. So this is what we have in this program. As I mentioned, this is 999 rupees, and first 15 enrollments will get this 500 rupees discount. 499 is what you'll be getting this complete course, and this will be like yearly updates. So yearly excuse me, yearly subscription. So again, as I mentioned, this will be just 499 as of now. You can enroll it for this. You can get benefits completely on this. And as I mentioned, there will be a group created with this name in the app itself. So here we have the chats. So you can see that here for any of the courses we create, there will be a group wherein we'll be communicating with that group actually. So now what we'll do is we'll try to publish this. As of now, it's not published. So I'll publish this. So first 15 people will actually get this for 499. Otherwise, also after that, you can purchase it. You can get it for 999. This is not a course, as I mentioned. This is a program which will be getting updated periodically. And it is also an open forum which you can suggest us. You can send the contents, you can send the requirements, which will help us to grow this and also help other people to improve their career growth and also help them to get jobs. Okay, so now I'll be publishing this, and thanks to all of you coming and attending this program for launching our career guidance with placement assistance. So I'm just publishing this. So this will be published now. Yes. So this has successfully published. So anybody wants to join this entire program, so please go ahead and purchase. And this will be for 15 people, 500 discount. The discount coupon you can apply, or you can directly go here. You'll get the coupon code as well here. I'll just copy this code also in the chat box. If you think that you want to approach, if you want to apply, you can apply. I'm just posting this here, the coupon code as well. Right, so this is what I have for this session. So I will stop this. And now you guys can unmute and let me know if you have any suggestions, anything to say. Please unmute yourself and please go ahead. Feel free, you can comment on this, or you can suggest us. Anything is fine.
Hi, sir. I'm audible?
Yes, Dinesh, go ahead.
Yeah. Actually, I enrolled on the masterclass program what you have, which covers Power BI and Tableau. So actually, I'm excited with the concept what you have just shown. I think that is very much useful for because it gives career guidance, and again, the placement is another important thing. I just wanted to know if you are also having some sort of internship or some sort of projects what you can offer pertaining to Tableau, Power BI, or any. Because I also see Excel is also a part of that curriculum. So, are you having any sort of internship or any kind of projects which you are planning going further?
We have internship. We already have the internship, but because of this COVID, the projects are very the flow of projects are very less. So for that reason, we're actually not taking many students. But yes, going forward, we are actually planning to have a complete internship program itself, which will help the students. But the students who are actually enrolling here for data analytics and the diploma course, so we are actually giving the internship for them. Internship in the sense, what we're actually trying to do is, if we are getting any live projects, we are allowing them to work on the live project. But again, as of now, we don't have the complete flow because we are concentrating more on skill developments. But for our students who are enrolling now for data analytics and a diploma. So we are trying to give them projects which is already done, but we are trying to mock because we cannot give the complete live projects because that is very confidential data which the client will have. So that we are trying to mock the data, or say we are just trying to give them a kind of related kind of projects to them, which will give an experience for them. So that we're actually doing. For the outsiders, people from outsiders, we are still on plans. We'll see, depends on the project flow. We'll try to give the internship.
Okay, so I have one more question. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
For this data analytics course and all,
Hmm.
so are you planning a appreciation for them, like how they can grow? Because again, doing since I have taken a course which I need to work from prepare from home, as I can't come to your
Okay.
institute. So, is there any further session plan wherein particular guidance is given to the people who are from to data analytics, how they can
Yes, yes.
start, how they can, because the entire content, I mean, I'm coming from my experience, it won't be that easy to remember everything. So,
Mhm.
what are the things to be focused and how to approach for an interview? Is there any such thing is in the
Yes.
pipeline?
So Dinesh, as I mentioned, we are conducting a lot of webinars. So the reason of conducting webinars is not just for marketing, because we have seen many, XYZ institutes or some other people doing their webinars just for marketing. But if you see our webinars, you can go and see our previous webinars. We are trying to share the knowledge, share the content, so that people will have the complete knowledge on what they're actually learning. Okay, so we are also conducting one webinar. So very few are attending that, but that is completely in Kannada. From November 1st till 30th November, we're actually conducting on complete analytics, all the courses. Okay, so every day there is a webinar. So we are planning for more webinars like this in English as well in the coming days. We have already conducted so many webinars. So if you go to our YouTube channel or you just approach me, I'll try to send the link to you. I know people are actually getting confused which course to take, and if I take this course, what will be the role in the companies, how to remember all these technologies. So all these we are actually trying to have the webinars. And also, as I mentioned, so we are trying to make some videos on all this, which you just saw. There are a lot of contents in this, lot of folder in this, different sections in this. So in that also we'll see what all things we can do. So here, if you see in one of the sections where we have mentioned interview related questions, right? In that we can place this question as well, like what you mentioned. So what will be the role of data analyst, and how actually you should prepare for the interviews, how actually you should remember all these technologies, so these kind of things. So good that you mentioned. So this we'll consider, and we'll see how best we can do as a content. And suppose if you still think that there is one webinar required, that is live sessions, then yes, we'll surely conduct, and we are in plans of this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Actually, I have been to your channel, but since I don't understand Kannada,
No, that's
so
fine.
so therefore, if you can have something in English,
Yes,
then it
yes,
would be helpful.
yes. So Dinesh, see, that was actually done because November is a month for the Kannadigas, because that is like a festival for us. So for that
Okay.
reason, we're actually conducting. It's not that just we are conducting only in Kannada. So we are conducting in English as well. So we have done a lot of webinars. So if you want, you can message me. I'll send you some links as well. You can go through that. But this webinar, what we are doing, I'm just giving one example. That's all. That how actually we conduct the webinars. I think Chaya, Chaitra, and Mahesh, these people are attending actually, or they're in the session as well now. So they knows how actually we conduct the webinars, and many of them actually hundreds, thousands of people have attended the webinars. Our webinars is completely on the knowledge based, not just on the marketing based. Okay, marketing, yes, we do, but not to the extent like what others do. For us, the webinar should be like, people should understand, people should feel that yes, there is something which we learned. Okay, that is our intention of conducting the webinars. And as I mentioned, these webinars will be very frequent here afterwards. So we have conducted a lot of webinars previously, but we are trying to increase the number of webinars as well, so that you guys can have the good understanding and good knowledge as well. Like we had last year, we had conducted one something called as weekend with experts. We had a very high end say contents in that. So you can go to our YouTube channel. It's completely free actually. You can check that. Weekend with Experts, almost some 18 episodes what we have conducted. You can check that as well. A lot of informative sessions are there in that.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for answering my
Thank you.
queries.
Thank you. So others, if you have anything to say, any suggestions, please go ahead. It will be really helpful for us as well. Chaitra, please add IQ test as well. Sure, Chaitra, we'll consider this. Thank you. We'll see how we can actually add this in this content as well. I think Vidya is there. Vidya, please make a note of it about this IQ test.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
There are other tests as well. As he said, like we will be giving periodic updates on this. So there are tests like biometric test and MEQ test and things like that, which the HR departments of various companies do care about. So we are going to include videos and the material for that in the course that we are the program here.
Okay. So here one more requirement, Namdev, webinar on SQL, 100% will conduct. And as I mentioned, people who are into this program, they'll have 1 year complete free subscription, because there are some webinars which we actually charge. Say it will be some 199 rupees or 499 rupees. But people who are into this program, so who are enrolled for this program, they'll be having complete free subscription. So they'll be having complete free access to all our webinars, whatever webinars we conduct. So it will be free for you. And yes, Namdev, SQL webinars will be shortly conducted. And data analytics, Dinesh, yes, we are conducting for that as well. Let's see when we can actually schedule. Right. Any others? Anything to say? Please, you can give us suggestions, or if you want to tell anything, if you want to give some feedback on this program, so please, I will really be happy to take your feedbacks. Vidya, if you have, you can send the Google review link as well for these people. Okay.
Just 2 minutes. I'll do that.
So people, I'll tell you, so your reviews, the positive reviews will actually encourage us more to do this. And you all, most of you, I don't know the new joinees, but most of you are there associated with us. You are following us from many years actually. You guys know that how actually we conduct our trainings, webinars or something. So your encouragement, your support is really very, very important for us, and you guys are doing it. So because of which you can see us, the growth what we have, not only with the company wise, with the knowledge wise as well, we have improved ourselves a lot, because you guys also have taught us many things, not only on technical skills. So technical skills, yes, but otherwise there are so many other things which we have learned from you as well, which it can be shared to others who are joining as well. Okay, so your comments are very, very important for us. Your reviews are very, very important for us. So if you have anything to say, so please, you can unmute and you can give some comments on this program. And also Vidya will be sharing the link, so please give some comments there as well, which will help us. So here you can see our Google review say page. You can take some time, just some 2-3 minutes, and your positive reviews will help us in giving more contents like this. So anything, people who are online, Chaitra, Chaya, Hemant, Mahesh, Nagesh, Pintu, Namdev, anything if you want to say, please unmute and you can say. Chaya, Chaitra.
Hi sir, I'm Pinto here.
Pintu.
Yeah, like previously I have given a feedback and all, like do I need to add in that only, or
No.
new
Yeah, I'm
feedback?
just telling you about this program. How did you feel? You can also tell here only. So
Yeah, it's good sir. Actually no one no other institutes are providing these kinds of services and all. So it's good to that we have here. So that's also.
Thank you, Pinto. Thank you so much. So our intention is people should not be dependent on the placements. So I want the people to feel that it's easy to get the job. So that is our intention. So for that, we are trying to see what all best we can give from our side.
Yes, like another thing, like as I'm from other background, like I'm working, like I'm insurance domain. So as I'm trying for to get jobs in this MIS reporting, analytics and all. So it's like whenever I apply for the company, the interviewer call, they will ask for experience. When I tell the experience at that time only, they will tell, no, we can't hire you. They are telling. So how to
Yes.
deal with this and all?
Yes, I understand. So for these kind of things also, we are trying to make some videos. So don't worry, Pintu. So everyone can get a job. For that, there are various different parameters. So I'll tell you how actually you can approach, how actually you should improve your skill sets. So that depends. Okay. So that I'll tell you. But there is one webinar also on this. In this Canada, I'm not sure whether you understand that. Otherwise, don't worry. We are
Yeah, I
making.
can understand sir
Yeah,
Kannada, but I did not enroll for that
you can enroll.
because
Still, you can enroll. No problem.
no problem.
You can
Yeah,
still
actually
enroll.
the problem is my shift timing is 8 to 5.
I know.
Yeah, so
No
last time
problem.
like yeah,
No problem. So we'll, I can share the video also with you, so you can, get that knowledge. But still, you don't worry. So in this complete program, we are adding this as well. So this topic is also there. So how actually from one domain to another domain, if you are switching, what all parameters you should actually take care, what are skill sets, what all projects you have to work. So everything will be mentioning so that you can improve your skill sets, and again you can approach, because see, there are many people from civil engineering or mechanical engineering who have become a very good analyst. I'm talking about data analyst. Okay, so don't worry about it. It's only matter of the skill sets and experience what the company expects. So for that, what all skill sets you should improve, how actually you should work on the projects, that I'll tell you, so that you
yeah,
can approach the companies.
yeah sir, like that 9 days webinar last time which was conducted, right? In similar way, can we get the recordings for this also?
Yes, you are actually getting. So you just enroll
Yeah,
in
sure
that
sir. Then
thing. So all the contents are there. So let me just show you. So here I'll just share my screen quickly. So here you can see. So this is the webinar where if you go here, I have the contents. So for every day, you can see that from day one till yesterday we have put. So today's video also I'll be uploading now. So you can get all the videos here. If you go here, you can see I'll have the video, then the content for that. So any files, if you go here, any contents, if you go here, see the content, the video and the content is available here, which will help you in working on it. So you can still get that. So this will be like open. So this is like open is just 99 rupees. You can get it completely. But again, people who don't know Kannada, so don't go with this because you might not understand. But people who are into Kannada, so they can purchase this. It's just 99 rupees, and this will be open. You can purchase it anytime you want. So similar kind of webinars we are actually conducting. We've already conducted as well in English. So people who don't know Kannada, they can also go and attend that programs or webinars as well.
yes, sure I will.
Okay, right.
Okay, thank you.
Right. Thank you so much, people, for attending this program.
Hi,
And
sir. I have one question.
yeah, Hemant, go ahead.
Yeah, I have seen your Power BI videos. It's very informative.
Thank you.
And I just wanted to know, like, for the placement things, for the companies which come to your institution, for them also, are they preferred? I mean, will you prefer us if we enroll to this course?
Companies in the sense, I
mean, you'll be getting some placements to your
Yes.
institutions, right?
Yes.
So will you like prefer us also, like when we join this course? Like China, you told you will be giving preference to your students, right? So
Okay. Oh, understood. So see, Hemant, so now what I'm telling is, see, I know my students. Okay. See, preference will be given to our students. It doesn't mean that we don't consider the outsiders. So for example, there is one requirement now for RPA developer. wherein they want 10, 10 freshers. I'm giving an example. Now I have only 2 students or 3 students. Now what will happen to the 7 students? So I have to approach outsiders as well, right? So this program is for public. It's not only for our students. Okay, so it doesn't mean that we are just considering only our students. I just told preference because we know them very closely. So that say for example, now Pintu Sharma is our student. Okay, so I know him. So what I'll do is I know his capacity. Suppose if he is fitting for that particular profile, so I can easily send him because I already know him from so many days. But say Hemanta, I don't know him, so I have to do some interview. So it will take some time and to approach you. It doesn't mean that we're not giving the opportunity for you. I'm just telling you the priority will be for our students. Otherwise, everyone is considered same, right?
Okay.
So don't get confused like that. This is nothing like a course or something. This is a program where we'll be considering everyone. But again, since I know my students, so it will be like they'll have the priority. That's all.
Okay, sir, one more question. Like, can we get jobs only on Power BI? I mean, should we learn all this data warehouse concept? Because I think in your channel, I've not seen data warehouse concepts. So many companies are asking that also, right? Like, do you have any course on data warehousing? Because only Power BI, I mean, companies won't prefer only Power BI, right?
Yes. So I've already mentioned this in many of my videos as well, that only Power BI will not get you a job. Okay, there should be something on data as well. See, when I say data warehouse, okay, so you don't have to be a very much expert in data. I mean, the database softwares. Okay, at least basic knowledge if you have, you can go. It depends on the companies. Not all the companies will have this, consideration of you should have expertise level of database management. You have to see what is the profile. Say a company who needs visualizations only, not the development side. So he's not bothered about all these data warehouse concepts. He just bothered about only Power BI. But when it comes to this Power BI developer, or along with that he wants to work on a visualization, then yes, database concepts are required. We have various different database softwares what we're actually teaching. But since we are not into complete IT, we're not into complete IT development side, programming side, we're not considering more of data warehouse, we are considering more of analytics and reporting side. But yes, as you told, we'll see how best we can do for getting this data warehouse concepts improvised for the students. But yes, Power BI with MS Access, SQL Server, and Excel, this is more than enough for you. But again, it depends on the company. I cannot always tell that you just learn only these softwares which the companies help you. Depends on the project and the companies.
Yes, sir. Okay.
There are many of my students who have got more than 10 lakhs package as well with only Power BI. Okay, there are chances. So that because the requirement was like that in the company. So not everyone will have such opportunities. So if the opportunities are there, yes. But again, as I mentioned, we are speaking to the companies, the consultants, and we'll see what best we can do for all the people, for getting placed.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. I have another question.
Yeah, Pinto.
Yeah, like a few days back, either Vidya or Rakhi has called me regarding MOS certification.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I could not able to complete the call because I was outside. So my question is, like, if I take a MOS certification related to Excel, so how it's going to help me? Like, first of all, as I said earlier, it's difficult to get jobs related to Excel and all because I'm from other domain. So how this MOS certification will help me to get that job and all?
Okay. So Pinto, let me just tell it in a very simple way. See, when you are actually certified, say for example, now you are certified from Microsoft. When I say Microsoft certified, that means you are very good. You have very good knowledge in Excel. Okay. So this is one added advantage to tell the company, saying that, see, Microsoft has recognized me, saying that I have hands-on experience on this Excel. See, this is what I was telling. So in detail, I'll be telling you in some other webinars or in some videos. To make it very simple, people who are coming from various other domains, certifications are very important. I'm not telling it is compulsory. I'm using this word, it's very important because you can prove them saying that, see, I am actually certified, I have the knowledge. The company will actually hire you not because of your educational background, they'll hire you because of your skill sets, the experience what you have. Suppose if you think that you go and show the company saying that, yes, I'm Excel certified and I have a good knowledge on Excel and you can still hire me. If you have that confidence, if you have that proof saying that, yes, I have the skills, obviously the company will surely hire you, or say at least they'll give some opportunity for interviews. If you just go saying that I have the knowledge, there are chances of getting rejected. But certificates, the badges what you get from a particular company, it can be a Tableau, it can be Power BI, it can be Excel or any other technologies. It is a proof, say the document, the proof document, which will help you in showing the company that, yes, I have this knowledge and I've been certified. So that is why certificates are important for people who don't have experience in particular field.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
Understood? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, Mani, tell me.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mani. Tell me.
Sir, actually, previously, I am basically from mechanical domain, sir. Okay, now I am working as a content data analyst in Bangalore, in Spera
Okay.
Solutions.
Mhm.
Okay, now in further, I have to go for analytics and reporting. What are the courses will suggest for me, and how to get into the be reporting and analytics? Sir? Because I am doing only content solution. I don't have. I am not using much Excel in this. What are the current job I am doing now?
Mhm.
Mm,
Okay.
yeah. Okay.
So, let me make it very brief, okay? Because the session is completely different, and I don't want to go into deep into this concepts. But still, this is a question I'll answer you in a very simple way. So, money, just the previous question for Pintu, I told skill sets are very important. Okay, and again, next question comes: what all skill sets I need? So that is your question. When I say if you want to become a data analyst or business analyst or reporting analyst or data scientist, it depends on different say skill sets. Forget about courses is what you do, but the skill sets what you improve is what is very important. And again, it depends on companies to company. When I say business analyst, say a company will have a different technologies which they use for business analytics, data analytics, or data science. So there are different technologies what they use, but you cannot go and keep on learning every single technology for getting the job. So for that, ITAS actually always they make sure that they'll have a very simple approach to get the job. When I say simple approach, it's not that the overnight, say 1 or 2 days you'll just get a job. So we actually teach you some generic courses in the sense, say Excel, dashboards, the concept of dashboarding techniques, reporting techniques, and the technologies which commonly used by the companies. Right. So when I say data analyst, there are some the courses. So you should be good in analytics, you should be good in programming, you should be good in reportings. So this is what we'll be teaching. For that, what all courses are there, that will be a list. If you want, I can send you the PDF to you. You can just go through that. And as I mentioned, there is nothing difficult for any of the people from any domains who can switch to the analytics. Like, it is a very common domain in every field. Say a civil engineer or a mechanical engineer, there also will have a lot of data to work on, and you can become a data analyst. Only thing is the skill sets is what you have to improve. So since you're working on some content writing or whatever, I'm not sure your complete profile. It depends on the experience as well. Suppose if you think that you have some 5 to 6 years of experience, and if you think you want to change your job, so whatever contents you are already doing, whatever profile you are already there, you see how actually I can connect this with the data analytics, and you can improvise yourself with the skill sets to an extent where an experienced person also works. For that, we have various assignments, various courses which will help you in improvising your skills, and then you can approach the company. That you can do.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Any other questions? Okay. So thank you so much, people. I think this program, which ITAS team has planned, will be very useful for all of you. And please do share this with your friends or anyone who actually wants to, gain knowledge on the placements. So this will be really a very good, platform for getting the career guidance as well as the placement assistance. So again, ITAS has got the intention of making people understand that getting job is very easy. For that, what all we have to do, what all preparation is we have to do, that is what this program is all about. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day, all of you. So please do enroll for this course, and also please do share this course so that many people will be benefited with this entire program. So thank you so much, all of you. See you guys soon in other webinars. Keep in touch.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.